video, we're going to show you how to create a parent account. To set up your parent account, you're going to need your web ID and password. This can be found in the letter sent from your school that contains these steps that we're about to walk through. After you enter the URL and the instructions in your letter, you should see a page similar to this. We'll click Create Account, then we'll click Create Account again. After we land on the account creation page, we can go ahead and enter our personal information. When we get to the lower section, we want to look at our web letter and we want to pull out our personal information or our confidential information and enter it exactly as it appears on the letter. After we enter our information, then we'll scroll to the bottom and click Enter. You'll see this message. You'll get an email. The first email will explain that you've created an account. The second email will have a link that you have to click on to be able to verify your account. Once you confirm your email address, you'll come back to the parent sign-in page and enter your information. Welcome to the Parent Portal.